All right, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back in. And today's project is going to be on the driver and passenger side door lights. I know I made a video just recently on how to replace your wedge bulbs with those LED bulbs, but I wanted to take it another notch and step it up. So what I did, I purchased off of Amazon some 3D Volkswagen logo lights. So when you open the actual door, it's going to shine the emblem down on the ground. So kind of curious what they're going to look like. I know pictures when I ordered it, they look crystal clear and all that stuff. Had some good reviews on it, so really curious to see what they look like once I install them. But just like any other video, I'm going to show you what tools are required. I'm going to show you what comes in the packaging, and then from start to finish, I'm going to show you how to properly install it. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so the only tool that's required, as you can see, is one item, and that is for a trim removal tool made out of plastic. So that is all you're going to need to conduct this installation. Okay, so here's everything that came inside this box. As you can see, I already took the leisure to take everything out. But this is the box. Pull it out in a Ziploc bag. This is where both lights were in. And then just by looking at them right now, they do look identical to the OEM ones. I guess I'll find out once I actually take the old ones out, the OEM ones, and put these in there. Still has the red on there, still has the clear portion on there. Looking inside of it, it does seem to have LEDs. Probably not as bright as the ones that are already just currently installed, but again, that's not what I'm really going for. I'm just really going for the actual logo. Then last but not least, it does seem like it has a zoom right here as far as the logo and how clear it looks. Again, this is just my assumption because there is no instructions, nothing in there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get these installed. Okay, so here we are on the driver's side. Already installed the passenger side, and I actually kind of like the way they came out. So I did find out what that little swivel was that turns back and forth. That's nothing more than the placement of the actual logo. So you can rotate it and shift it and rotate it however you want to. But I just kept it in the center. So once you open the door, it's just dead center. So but if you do order these, you're going to see what I'm talking about. If you get some other ones, because there's probably other brands out there, they may or may not have this. So, but either way, to take this one out, first I'm going to take the cover out. We'll start from the top and just pry them out. There goes one, there goes two. Sometimes they can be a little tricky. Next one I'm gonna do, right up here, I'm gonna try to take this out without burning myself. All right, now what I'm gonna do is, on the top there's two clips that hold this whole fixture into place, and then believe it or not, what I found on the other side is, I hope this is not every Atlas, but the inside of this, for some reason, I want to come out at first, so I thought there was something stuck on there, but they actually used hot glue around here to keep this in place, so the whole assembly doesn't pop out. Why they did that, I have no clue. It does seat in there perfect, and just like the other one that we're about to put in there, also does fit in there properly. So why they did that, I have no clue, but that's the way they did it. So either way, take the two clips. There's one, and then here in a second I'm going to show you what clips too. So these two little clips on the far left and right, you have to press down on it and then you pull it out, and that's how this top portion is going to pop out. Now what should happen is this whole thing should pop out, and this is where I was a little confused about the passenger side, but here in a second you're going to see, as I'm going to pull this out nice and carefully, there is hot glue all around it. So they must have put hot glue on there and then popped it into place. So you probably can see it right here. Hot glue. Either way, once you take it out, take the harness out. So two little tabs, just press them in. Match it up, put the harness in the light. And then as you can see, here's already the logo. And I'm gonna post some pictures anyways later. What they look like with the lights out in the nighttime. Now to install it, it's just pretty much a reverse procedure. Again, I'm going to make sure it's in the center, and it is in the center. As far as the logo goes, that's what I mean with the center. Go from the bottom, and then all you're going to do is you're going to push it up until it locks into place. And there you go, that's it. I'm just going to show you real quick. You can kind of see it, but like I said, I'm going to post some pictures with the lights out. Okay, so there we go. I just showed you what tools are required. Showed you what comes inside this package, and then showed you from start to finish on how to properly install these inside your vehicle. If you liked the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications, because every couple weeks I should be posting a new video. Down below you can leave some comments, good or bad, or maybe something that you want to see in the near future. Other than that, YouTube, that's it. Until next time, take it easy.